Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Scylla Stuff and Things. Today we are going to be making a dish I've never made before. I have never cooked scallops in my life. So we're gonna do scallops in a buttery garlic cream sauce. So let's get cooking. For this recipe, we're gonna be using scallops, some Pinot Grigio, heavy whipping cream, garlic and herb spices, fresh garlic, butter, and salt and pepper. All right, so you saw we washed them off and dried them. Now I'm just gonna put a little bit of salt and pepper on, as well as this garlic, roasted garlic and herb seasoning. I thought that might be fun to try on them. Now with scallops, you do want to get like a crust on them, so you want to cook them on that high heat because you want that texture to be different than what it is right now, if you know what I'm talking about. We won't go into detail. All right, so that's all I'm going to do. Then I'm going to put some butter in the pan and we're going to fry these up. So I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil in my pan just to help the butter not burn. Just kind of move it around. And then we'll put some butter. I love that sizzle. So you're gonna let these cook for about 3 minutes on each side. Don't flip them, like don't continuously flip them. Just let them go, do their thing, and then flip them. All right, so that's that crust you're looking for. So we flipped them and we'll wait 3 more minutes. I'm so excited. After that, you're just gonna take them out of the pan, put them on a plate, and make your sauce to go with it. All right, so we have taken our scallops out of the pan. We're gonna leave all these little bits in here because that burnt me. Because we are going to use that as part of our sauce. Drop your heat to low and then grab your ingredients for your sauce. So it calls for 1/4 cup of wine. You can go a little extra if you want. Nobody ever complained about that. Now you want the wine to cook down some. So you're just gonna let it go like that. You're gonna add your garlic. 4 cloves of minced garlic. You're just gonna pour that right into your pan here and swoosh it around. It's a technical culinary term, swoosh. You're gonna let that get happy. Then you're gonna add a cup of heavy whipping cream. Okay. Again, just let this kind of sit here and thicken up some. And then I'm gonna add the scallops back to the pan. Just to kind of warm them up a little bit. Our sauce is finished, so we're just adding those scallops right back in there just to kind of give them a little warm up. Nothing too much, and you can just kind of move them around in the sauce if you would like. So we're just gonna plate these. And because we put them back in the sauce, you're not gonna need to add any more sauce to it, I don't think. I am so excited to try these scallops. I've never made scallops. It's fun to get out of your comfort zone sometimes and try new things. Hopefully the kids like them. Who knows? So comment down below, are you a fan of scallops? I think it goes one way or the other. You either love them or you hate them because there's no in between. And a lot of it's because of the consistency and texture of them. All right, guys, so I'm excited. I cannot wait to try this. This is a fun thing to do like surf and turf, or you could have a salad or maybe some grilled zucchini and squash. It's a super fast dinner, so if you're interested in that, make sure you check out this recipe. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you next time. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't done so. See you later. Isaiah has never had a scallop.
No.
So let me know what you think.
I'm nervous because I don't want to, like, if I don't like it, it's not necessarily a reflection of the taste.
That is a good scallop.
Scallops are good.
You like it?
Mm-hmm. That's really good. Wow.
So I was worried about the texture for Isaiah.
Mm-hmm.
Like,
No,
you're my
that's good,
picky
though.
eater.
It's a little crispy. I like it.
Mm-hmm. They are really good.
Well done.
You want to try it?
Yeah.